Okay, so this is a 3-pack vegetable and fruit storage container. This is for the fridge. It can be either for an organizer, but this is basically the produce saver, and this has been awesome. You can do all sorts of things in it. Today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and put some strawberries to help keep those fresh. Now this is going to be the little divider, so this can go straight in the center there, and that can help organize if you have two different kinds of fruits or vegetables. This has got the venting lids, so we're going to want to keep these vented for the strawberries. We're going to go ahead and cut up these fresh strawberries and go ahead and put them in there, rinse them, wash them. What's great about this is the gray basket is actually kind of a strainer, and the bottom has this little rubber plug, and you can unplug that to allow the water to run free, especially if you're washing them. And then you just plug it back up and you seal it and you put it in the fridge as needed. I'm going to show you that plug right here just so you can get an idea. So we've already cut up our strawberries. We've put them in the strainer. We're going to go ahead and rinse them off and let that water just flow right out the bottom. Let me show you this little plug here. As you can see, the water's in there. And then we're going to just pull this out. See it? We're just going to lift that out right there. Now when we go down, this water's just going to drain all the way out. And that's fabulous because this is a great way to wash them and to store them, which makes it fabulous because who wants strawberries going bad? These are the one thing in my household that cannot go bad. We eat too many of them. So we put the lid on it. We're going to go ahead and vent them so that the strawberries have air and they don't mold. We're going to lock these two handles into place and we're going to put it inside the refrigerator. These will stay fresh for about a week.